In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix Windows Update error encountered 0x80070643 here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to press Windows key and R key together in your keyboard, and here please type for services.msc. Okay? Once you've typed that, click on OK to continue. And in a few moments, you will be able to bring up a new window, which is the services. So here you need to locate for Windows Event Collector. And in order to locate it easily, just type W in your keyboard while selecting any of the service. And here you need to navigate with Windows Event Collector. Once you have find it, please make a right click, click on Properties. And here at the startup type, ensure that it is being set here and automatic. Stop the service, and once you have stopped it, click on start to make sure that this being running here in your services. Click on apply and then OK. So the next service that you need to locate for is the Windows Event Log. Please do the same, and that is to make a right click, click on properties, click on this down arrow key, go with automatic, make sure that the service status is running. So click on they stopped, okay, or just have to make sure that it is running. Then click on apply and then OK. So the next service that you need to locate is the Windows update. So just have to scroll down and locate for it. So I can see it here next to Windows time. Just have to make a right click, click on properties, and click on this down arrow key, go with automatic, then click on apply and then OK. Once you've set it, close the window and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so by that here, you just have to navigate at the bottom search bar, type for CMD. Let's say if your problem, the error still persists, just type for CMD here under the best matched, and a command prompt system would appear. All you need to do is you need to go with the, okay, just click on the run as administrator. Okay, so go with run as administrator. So you would be receiving a notification where your user account going to say yes, just go with yes so that you can continue on running the system. Okay. So from here, you need to proceed to the description box below. I'll be including a comment text there. All you need to do is you need to copy it. So first is you need to type this one by one, or you need to paste this one by one, not in all. Okay. Again, one by one. First is it is sc wuauserv space start equals auto. Then click on here, type it here, and then click on enter key. And once done, please type for the second, which is sc cryptSvc space start equals auto. Then click on enter key. Then proceed to the third, which is sc space config bits space start equals auto. Then hit the enter key. And proceed to the last command, which is sc space config trusted installer space start equals auto. Once you are done typing all of the command, please navigate here at the start and then proceed to your power menu options and click on restart. The moment you've restarted or relaunched your Windows again, you will be able to fix the problem. Okay? Now that said, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.